Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Cat Scrappiness. Today we are launching the new Crafters Essentials 2 dies, and it has this cute sun or sunburst, and then another die that has sort of like this stitching details and some opening there on the side, and then a couple of other dies that are included, like those banner dies and more arrows and things like that. This is now available at the shop, so if you would like to order this, I will be linking all the supplies I use in the description box below. I'm also going to use this Simon Says stamp set and the Sunscape stencil by Nook Designs. I will also use this Bristol Smooth white cardstock, a crystal katana, my Nuvo liquid adhesive, and some distress oxides from Cat Scrappiness. I'm going to start by inking up my background using this Sunscape stencil by Nook, and I'm going to use Squeeze Lemonade and Spice Marmalade Distress Oxides with my mini ink blending tools. Going to flip my stencil, and then I'm going to use Salty Ocean and Mermaid Lagoon to ink up the background there and make it look like water. I'm just going to mix these two color combos until I get the color that I want, and then I'm going to use my ink blending tool again just to add some color there so that it's not stark white. Another piece of Bristol Smooth white cardstock here, and I'm going to ink it up with Squeeze Lemonade and Spice Marmalade again, and then I'm going to use that sunburst die so that I can die cut this piece, and I will eventually adhere that piece on top of my background panel. So I have already colored my image here, the little cat mermaid and the beach umbrella. I'm just going to adhere this colored panel on my card base, and then also use my Nuvo liquid adhesive to adhere those tiny little pieces back to my card. Going to use the Crafters 1 Essentials die that was previously released this month, and I'm just going to use that small banner piece there, and I've already stamped my sentiment a happy hello. So I'm going to adhere my umbrella first using my liquid adhesive, and then going to add that sentiment strip with foam adhesive, and then going to adhere the mermaid on top of that. I felt like it was missing something, so I decided to add some sparkling clear gemstones from Cat Scrappiness. I'm just going to adhere those using my crystal katana and liquid adhesive. I actually prefer to adhere the sparkling gems flat side down because it just, in my opinion, it gives more sparkle, and I think it just looks so much better when you adhere it that way. Here is the card again, showcasing the new Crafters Essentials 2 die set by Cat Scrappiness. And I have another card that I made previously using the same die set. I also use another stamp set by Simon Says Stamp, and it's also another cat image. And I also use the sun. It's kind of a similar design, but in a different way, because this other card I used a pattern paper instead. But I really love how those cards turn out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you like the card today, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Please check out the supplies that I use in the description box below. The Crafters Essentials 2 die set is now available at the shop. The Crafters Essentials 1 is also available for reserve if you want to order it now. Please don't forget to use my coupon code Maria10 for 10% off your order at the shop. Thank you again for joining me today, and happy crafting!